Mindfulness is the art of living in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Here are 5 tips for practicing mindfulness. 1. Be present. When you're mindful, you're fully present in the moment. You're not thinking about the past or the future, but instead are focused on the here and now. 2. Pay attention. Mindfulness is about being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Pay attention to your breath, your body, and your environment. 3. Let go of judgment. Mindfulness is about observing without judgment. Don't judge yourself or your thoughts, but simply observe them. 4. Be patient. Mindfulness takes practice. Don't expect to be perfect at it, but just keep practicing and you'll get better over time. 5. Let go of expectations. Mindfulness is about being in the moment and not about achieving some goal. Don't expect yourself to be perfect or to always be mindful. Just let go of those expectations and let yourself be. If you found this post helpful, make sure to give it a like and follow us for more.